Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and from the boot options, just swipe down to turn it off. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. And let go of the power button when you see the device's logo. Now once we see the language selection, you can also let go of the volume down and then click on your desired language. And there is our recovery mode. Here we only have technically one option that would be associated with the recovery mode, which is format data, aka factory reset of the device. And the two other options are just two different ways of leaving this mode. So I'm going to select reboot device and confirm it, and this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.